Hi guys, Mike Nibb here from Danchuk Manufacturing here at Reno, live at the Hot August Nights Car Show. Please come down, say hi to Roscoe and I. We'll be here from 10 to 5, Wednesday through Saturday. We'll be handing out flyers and you can pick up a brand new catalog. Come see our new display that we have over here with our parts on site. And talk tech questions or anything else, or any concerns or any questions you have for Roscoe and I. We'd be more than happy to help you out with them. Once again, we'll be here from 10 to 5, Wednesday through Saturday. We hope to hear you or see you here soon. Take care. Have a great day.